Quick Launch gives an operator a straightforward point-and-click interface so they can perform system tasks without interrupting their workflow. To create a new Quick Launch panel, open the Configuration menu and select Quick Launch Editor. Click the New Panel button and give this panel a name. Set the number of rows and columns for this panel and click OK. Click one of the Add buttons to set up a new widget. Select the widget type from the drop-down menu and click OK. Some options will require more information to complete setup. When all widgets have been configured, click on the Save button and close the Quick Launch Editor. To view the Quick Launch panel, open the Navigation menu and select Quick Launch. Some widgets will display the status of devices, while others allow for commands to be sent to those devices. Quick Launch is a clutter-free Entré experience that allows an operator to efficiently interact with the system. For more training videos and information about Entré, visit dmp.com.